Welcome S5 student. Now we will discuss on some examples of function is differentiable at point AB. Show that the function f where fxy is equal to xy upon under root of x square plus y square. If x square plus y square is not equal to 0 and is equal to 0 means f of 0 0 is equal to 0. Possesses the first order partial derivatives but is not differentiable at origin. We have by definition of first order partial derivative, first order partial derivative with respect to x at origin is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of h 0 minus f of 0 0 upon eh is equal to limit h tends to 0 0 minus 0 upon eh. 0 minus 0 is 0, therefore 0 upon h is 0, therefore limit h tends to 0, 0 is equal to 0 directly because 0 is constant with respect to the limit. Now first order partial derivative with respect to y at origin is equal to limit k tends to 0 f of 0 k minus f of 0 0 upon k is equal to limit k tends to 0 0 minus 0 upon k is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 upon k is 0. Therefore, limit k tends to 0, 0 is equal to 0. Limit of 0 is 0 because 0 is constant with respect to the limit. Therefore, first order partial derivative exists and equal to 0 at origin is equal to 0. We discuss the differentiability at origin. Delta f is equal to instead of ab here 0 0 f of a plus h b plus k, but instead of ab here 0 0 f of 0 plus h plus comma 0 plus k minus f of 0 0 is equal to delta f is equal to f of hk minus f of 0 0 is equal to h f x 0 0 plus k f y 0 0 plus h phi k plus k psi. We know that this is the sufficient condition for differentiability. f of ehk is equal to ehk upon under root of eh square plus k square minus f of 0 0 it is given that is 0 is equal to eh into first order partial derivative at origin is equal to 0. First order partial derivative with respect to y at origin is equal to 0. Therefore, eh into 0 plus k into 0 plus eh phi k plus k psi. Therefore, sk upon under root of a square plus k square is equal to s phi sk plus k psi sk. Put k is equal to h. Therefore, h into h is h square upon under root of e square plus h square plus h phi h plus h psi h. E square upon h under root of 2 because h square is 2h square. Under root of h square is h. Take outside the under root of 2 is equal to h phi h. Here in both this expression h is common h in bracket phi of h plus psi of h. This h square and h I'm sorry h square upon h under root of 2 h phi of h plus psi of h. Suppose this h become here a square upon a square under root of 2 phi of h plus psi of h. a square get cancelled. Here we have one step again. This a square get cancelled. A square get cancelled. Therefore, 1 upon under root of 2 is equal to phi of hs plus psi of h. Taking limit as h tends to 0, we get 1 upon under root of 2 is equal to phi of hs plus psi of hs. Limit as h tends to 0, phi of hs plus psi of hs. Phi of hs is 0, psi of hs is 0. Therefore, 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2 is not equal to 0. It is not possible, which is impossible. Therefore, the function, if both are equal, then the function is differentiable at origin. But both are not equal, therefore the function of xy is not differentiable at origin. Next example, discuss the differentiability of the function f at origin. Where fxy is equal to x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 upon x square plus y square, xy is not equal to 0. F of 0, 0 is equal to 0, it is given. Solution. We have first order partial derivative with respect to x at origin is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of h 0 minus f of 0, 0 upon h is equal to limit h tends to 0, 0 minus 0 upon h. 0 minus 0 upon h is equal to limit h tends to 0, 0 is equal to 0. By definition of first order partial derivative with respect to y at origin is equal to limit k tends to 0 f of 0 k minus f of 0, 0 upon k is equal to limit k tends to 0, 0 minus 0 upon k is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 upon k is 0. Therefore, limit k tends to 0, 0 is equal to 0 directly because 0 is constant with respect to the limit. F of x at origin is equal to 0. First order partial derivative at origin both are 0. We discuss the differentiability at origin. Delt f is equal to f of 0 plus h 0 plus k minus f of 0, 0 is equal. Therefore, delta f is equal to f of hk minus f of 0, 0 h f x 0, 0 plus k f y 0, 0 plus h phi k phi hk plus k psi hk. This is by using sufficient condition of differentiability. F of hk is h raised to 4 of plus k raised to 4 upon a square plus k square. F of 0, 0 is 0 minus 0 is equal to h into 0 because first order partial derivative with respect to x at origin is 0. First order partial derivative with respect to y at origin is 0. Therefore, h into 0 plus k into 0 plus h phi h k plus k psi h k. H raised to 4 plus k raised to 4 upon a square plus k square h phi h k plus k psi h k. Put k is equal to h raised to 4 h plus h raised to 4 h square plus h square is equal to h phi h h plus h psi h h. h raised to 4 plus h raised to 4, that is 2h raised to 4. H square plus h square upon 2h square is equal to h phi hh plus h psi hh. 2 get cancelled. H raised to 4 upon h square, that is h square only, is equal to h phi hh. Here h is common, therefore h in bracket phi of hh plus psi of hh. Therefore hh get cancelled. Eh is equal to phi hh plus psi hh. Taking limit as h tends to 0, we get here 0, phi h is 0, psi h is 0 with respect to the limit as h tends to 0. 0 is equal to 0 plus 0. 0 is equal to 0, which is possible. Therefore, the function fxy is differentiable at origin. Using approximation, using differentials, find approximate value of under root of 1.02 bracket square plus 1.97 bracket square. Suppose using the nature of this example, we define the function fxy is equal to under root of, I am sorry, here cube. And 1.02 brackets under root of 1.02 bracket square plus 1.97 bracket cube. Let fxy is equal to under root of x square plus y cube. That is x square plus y cube raised to 1 half. Differentiate this function with respect to x. F of x, xy is equal to, here the 1 half x square plus y cube raised to 1 minus 1 half, that is minus 1 half. Again derivative of x square plus y cube is 2x is equal to 2 to get cancelled, x upon x square plus y cube raised to minus 1 half, that is x square 1 upon x square plus y cube raised to 1 half, that is under root of x square plus y cube. Again differentiate with respect to y. F of xy with respect to y is equal to 1 half x square plus y cube, 1 minus 1 half, that is minus 1 half, and derivative of y cube is 3y square. X square is constant, therefore the derivative of constant is 0 with respect to y, is equal to 3y square upon 2 under root of x square plus y cube. We take this denominator. Take a is equal to 1, h is equal to 0.02, b is equal to 2, k is equal to minus 0.03. F of 1 2 is equal to under root of 1 square plus 2 cube. 1 square is 1, under root of 1 square is 1 plus 2 cube is 8 is equal to 1 plus 8 is under root of 9, that is 3. F of xy at point, I am sorry, write direct. F of x at point 1 2 is equal to 1 1 in bracket bracket square 2 cube, that is in bracket 2, so 2 cube, that is, we know that 3, 1 upon 3. F of x get to 1. F of y12 is equal to 3y square upon 2 under root of x square plus y square. Under root of x square plus y square is 3. Therefore, 3 into 2 square, y is 2. Therefore, 3 into 2, 3 into 2 get cancelled. Only 2 is remains there, is equal to 4. But differentials we have f of a plus hb plus k is equal to f of ab plus hfx ab plus k of y ab. F of 1.02 plus comma 1.97 is equal to f of 12 plus 0.02 f of x 12 plus minus 0.03 f of y 12. F of 1.02 comma 1.97 is equal to f of 12 is 3, 0.02 f of x 12 is 1 by 3 plus minus 0.03 f of y 12 is 2, therefore is equal to 3 plus 0.02 divided by 3 is 0.0067 and minus 0.03 multiply by 2, that is minus 0.06. Therefore, subtract this 2, we get 2.9467. Okay.